Alanobi, the big brand, as always, and I'm here just to give you few insights. So this particular morning, if you look at this field, we did harvest maize here. I think like 3 months ago, 2 months ago. After planting, we have now planted another crop, and the crop is maize. So if you look at the spacing is particularly very big because I had another plan. The plan was to plant maize, then I will come and fix in the cans. But what I have decided is I will not fix in the cans right now. I want to do crop rotation because we had sugarcane here for almost 5 years, so we have to do crop rotation. So I'm just doing maize this year, and then early next year, January, boom, we shall be doing sugarcane again. But for now, this is what we are focusing on. There's enough rains in this region, so this means any person who is from Western Kenya, I don't know, but you are eligible to plant maize if you can at the moment. But if you delay a little bit, the rains will be gone and your maize will struggle germinating. So once the maize have germinated, and look at the soil. If you look at the soil moisture, look at the soil moisture. It's very, very good. So by end of the day or tomorrow, this fertilizer will have dissolved. The nutrients uptake will be on. So then after 2 weeks we shall be back, and we shall be back with another fertilizer after doing the weeding. So you guys can just support me by sharing my videos through WhatsApp, through your Facebook channels, YouTube channels. Subscribe on my YouTube channel, on my Facebook channel, and if you have any other question, please don't hesitate to ask the questions. I am your boy Alanobi the Billionaire. Bye.